This oatmeal is perfect on a rainy day.
It's so warm and yummy.
I'm glad, sweetie.
Can we do this every morning?
I'd love that.
Wow, it's raining harder now.
It is. Look at the leaves shimmering. And small rivers are forming on the road.
It's so pretty.
Nature's little show for us.
How about we bake some cookies?
Oh, what a lovely idea!
Cookies!
We have everything right here. Let's get started.
I'll help.
Great. First, the flour.
All right, let's start mixing the dry ingredients.
And I'll add the eggs.
Can I help?
Of course. Can you put the butter in this bowl?
Okay.
You're doing great, sweetie. Just pour it in.
Okay, Mommy, all done.
Perfect. Now I'll mix it all together.
It's mixing so nicely.
It is! We're a great team. Watch, we press down to make a star.
A star. Can I try?
Of course. Now let's make a flower.
A pretty flower.
And a heart for love.
Look at all these leaves, Mommy.
Yes, we'll put them in the basket. Can you find the basil?
This one? It smells so good.
Perfect. Now for some mint. A little more rosemary for the oil. Now to chop these fresh herbs. In they go. This will be perfect. How's the repair going, dear?
Wow, Daddy's fixing it.
Almost done. Just a few more taps. You're doing great, sweetie.
Yay!
The rain has stopped. It's nice to walk now.
Yes, and the mist makes it magical.
Look at the mist. It's like a fairy forest.
It is, sweetie. Let's keep going.
It's so warm and squishy.
That's the perfect texture, sweetie.
Great job. I'm making some stars and hearts.
Yay! I want to make a flower.
You got it. We're a great team.
These are ready. Let's put them on the rack.
Wow, they're so hot.
They smell wonderful, don't they?
Yes, can I have one?
Let's get some fresh air in here.
Wow, it's raining.
Feels nice and cool.
So refreshing. Yay, my boots are on. Now for my hood. All ready, let's go. Whee, the rain is fun. Look at the flowers.
Let's go see the garden, sweetie.
Okay, Mommy. The rain tickles.
It does, doesn't it? Look at the flowers.
They're beautiful.
Here you go, sweetie. Be careful.
I will, Mommy.
See the ladybugs? We must be gentle.
Wow, ladybugs. So pretty. It's getting bigger, Daddy.
Yes, the flames are catching nicely.
It's so warm and cozy now. Yay! I love it! It's so wet.
That's okay, just wipe them on the mat. Good job.
All clean now.
Here are your slippers. Come on in, sweetie.
Thank you.
This joint is almost fixed.
It's looking good. What are you drawing, sweetie?
A bird by the window.
Let's see it when you're done. The rain is gentle today. How about a walk? We can listen to the rain and talk. It might be just what we need. Careful now, sweetie.
I am, Mommy.
You're doing great, kiddo.
Yes, such a good helper.
All done. Perfect. Thank you.
This soup is so warm and comforting.
It's yummy, Mommy.
The perfect meal for a rainy day.
I'm so glad we're all together.
Me too.
You're doing a great job, sweetie.
The bubbles are so pretty.
Teamwork makes it fun, right?
It certainly does. We're almost done.
Can I do more tomorrow?
Of course.
More cookies, Mommy.
Just a few more, sweetie. There, all done.
Yay, all full.
They look delicious. I'm home.
Welcome back.
Daddy!
Hey there, little one. Still reading?
It's a good story.
Perfect night for stories. Let's get you tucked in, sweetie.
Okay, Mommy.
Sweet dreams, little one.
Good night, my love.
Good night.